Coco, what's wrong? Ooh, are you wooing me? Huh? What's this? Oh, I have this toy here. Given the fact that it's raining outside, he needs to burn off his energy. And he's like all over me, wants to get access to this little toy. Huh? Hmm? Go! Are you running away? Are you running away? Are you running away? Hmm? Are you running away? Spank your little bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Hmm? Very naughty. Whoa! Hear that? Don't touch me. Don't annoy me. Hmm? Whoa! Coco, can I play with you? Whoa! Coco, can I play with you? Hmm? 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 You don't want to share? Sharing is caring, you know, Coco. My God, Coco. You really... Wow. You're so aggressive. You're so aggressive. You caught a raccoon and you don't want to share? No? Ooh. Ooh. Angry. Coco, be nice. Coco, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. No. Good boy. Coco. You still have to be disciplined, Coco. 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 Down. Wait. Good boy, Coco. You have to be disciplined, okay? Okay. Sometimes when he gets so excited, he forgets his manner and starts growling. This Coco. See, leave it. Good boy, Coco. Good boy. Leave it. Nuh-uh. Coco, drop it. Leave it. Okay. Good boy. All right. Let him play. I think he gets angry at me. Don't interrupt me, he says. I'm having my fun. Have a good evening. I'll go chase him around to burn off his energy a little bit too.